It was the Friday night and it was the middle of the midnight opening price, and the Flux charts gave a beautiful signal in gold futures. Now I will do a recap how you can take that signal and how you can achieve that sell signal so you can copy my whole setup. So this was the signal that I received from the Flux charts, and we are on the 1 minute time frame. We are trading gold futures. After you get the signal, as you guys know that we are looking for three things, and if you don't know, let me do a quick sum up. First, you need to get the signal. The second, you need to get the first confirmation, which is fair value gap or the inversion fair value gap, and the final confirmation is the order block or the breaker block. So let's dive into chart and see if we get those confirmations. So here we are. This is the signal. So this is check. And after the signal came, order before the signal, but you can just go out maximum of 10 candles. And we are checking that. The first confirmation, breaker block, check. The second confirmation, IFG, check. We got everything we need from this setup. Now all you need is execute. Let's see the risk reward ratio here. So if you just execute with the signal here, and you will put your take profit to the desired TPs comes from the Flux charts, and you put your stop loss just above the IFG, you will get a beautiful 3-hour trade. The question is, are we gonna lose or are we gonna make money? Let's do a quick roll here and see if we get hit or miss. Boom, we just hit the 3 TP levels. This is it. This is the trade, and this is a 3-hour trade. Now I want to take you which indicators should you use and how you can set those indicators. To add the indicators, let's go to indicators tab and you will search for Flux charts. The first indicator you need to add is the SVX algo. The second one is the price action toolkit, and the optional one is, you don't have to, but it's nice to have, the MTF supply and demand zone. Click all of them to add to your chart. After you add it, the golden question is, what are the settings, Borsa? Now we are starting first with the SVX algo. If you go to settings for the SVX algo, you will change your trading style, very important, to day trader. Your trend length is medium term, your sensitivity is 13, and that's basically everything you need to change, and you can copy rest of my settings. If you done that, hit the OK button. The second indicator settings is the price action toolkit, and what you want to do is to enable the fair value gaps, enable the inversion fair value gaps, order blocks, breaker blocks. Why? Because all of those is our confirmation tools. You have to enable those. So what we are doing basically is to combine and create a superpower using the two indicators. So if you go down, you can see I have enabled the liquidity graphs, which is an optional trend lines. Buy side, sell side, if you want, you can enable that. And the final suggestion is the MTF highs and lows to find the target, to find the stop loss. It will be sometimes very helpful. I suggest you enable those. Final settings is the MTF supply and demand zone. It's a typical supply demand zone settings. My settings is the momentum, right? For the direction, the sensitivity is medium, zone invalidation is the close, and you can copy rest of my settings. So with those settings, what you will be getting is the sell signal, which is a strong one, or the normal one. You will be getting these fair value gaps. You will be getting this supply and demand. Look at this. This is a crude oil chart, and after the price plummets here, it shows a resistance here, and you can see that we got a 4 retest, right? And after a 4 retest, if it doesn't go up and it comes with the order block here, what happens? It will definitely go down. Why? Because it's very simple. If something can break out this resistance line, it will go to the closest liquidity levels. For example, here, this is the live market, and it's going for the previous day high, right? So let's see, let's roll the market if we get it or not. And now we have another MTF supply demand here, right? The price is rejecting from that zone, and we are watching live what will happen. And as you can see that after price tries to go down and it comes very close, this is importance of the trailing stop. And if you don't know, I highly suggest you watch my other videos to learn how I manage the position. We received a strong buy signal and it comes with the order block, it comes with the fair value gap. And what you want to do? You will just take out this long, right? So this is the crude oil chart. I don't trade crude oil personally, but I just want to show you guys this toolkit is powerful in the gold, in the Nasdaq, in the crude oil, in the Bitcoin, whatever you want to trade with. It's simple to use. You can go and back check my settings, and if you don't like, you can always get your refund in 7 days. No questions asked. And the good news is I have grabbed you the best discount ever. To activate it, all you need to do is just type Borsa20 in the coupon code area and you are good to go. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching my other Flux charts videos here, and until the next time, see you soon.